James, I've grabbed you at Factory 2050. Now, this is an amazing story here. However, we've not really sort of caught up with you and the MTA, but what have you guys been up to recently?
Well, we've obviously been kept very busy since the success of MACH 16, and we've been busy preparing, obviously, for MACH 18, which I'll be delighted to tell you a bit more about.
I know MACH 2016 a great success, but what could we look forward to for 2018?
Well, we've got a massive development for the show, Mark, as you know, which is changing halls to the new halls in the NEC, which will mean the show will effectively be a huge celebration of UK advanced engineering and manufacturing, displaying all the technology you see here at the Factory of the Future. So very much Internet of Things, smart factory, intelligent controls, as well as all that fantastic advanced hardware that we're already known for.
And I suppose to a visitor, having something in one hall is a great benefit.
Absolutely, one hall, one floor, one level, and everything you possibly need to know, seeing working in advanced engineering manufacturing environment.
Well, since MACH, there's been a thing called Brexit. I think we all know about this,
Yes.
but what's your feeling and what's the feeling from the MTA in reference to how it's affecting UK manufacturing?
Well, as you know, our members told us in no uncertain terms that they were very much in favour of remaining in the EU, and obviously we were quite shocked when the country decided to exit the EU. However, we are resolved to make the best of what we consider an unusual situation, and so we are engaging with the government whenever they're ready to, because obviously there's been some rearrangements of the government. But we very much welcome this idea of an industrial strategy, a new focus on engineering and manufacturing in the UK, and I think it would appear that people in power are realising how important it is to the UK economy.
I see that the CBI came out with some figures that manufacturing is stronger than it was pre-Brexit. Would you agree with that?
We think it's a bit early to tell. I mean, certainly there's been some really encouraging signs about manufacturing. You know, the latest order for JCB received from overseas, the car industry remaining strong, the fact that Airbus has got a 10-year order book. I mean, this is all really good news for UK manufacturing. However, I think that because our members are specifically involved in mainly capital investment, any uncertainty surrounding Brexit may well, have causes a bit of a slowdown. So we'll have to really wait and see till the facts come out.
And obviously today, we're at Factory 2050. What does this mean to the MTA and your members?
Well, the AMRC is one of our members, and this is such a brilliant facility. It's one of the leading ones in the world in demonstrating the access to the technology that I think in the UK we so desperately need. It's not a choice. The supply chain, there's many SMEs who are out there who have already taken up a lot of this technology, but also there's also a vast amount who really just need to get in there, realise that technology has never been more powerful, it's never been more affordable, and money is never been more available at such cheap prices. So I can't understand what's holding us back. We've got such a beautiful opportunity to re-industrialise in the most modern way. We speak the right language, we're between the time zones, we've still got a great international reputation for innovation in engineering. We've got massive advantage.
And one last question. I was at your Golf Day quite recently, and I was asked, what are the benefits of being a member of the MTA? What do you actually offer?
We offer many things. Obviously, the clue is in the name of a trade association. We simply exist to help our members do more business, and we do that in several ways, including showcasing the industry at our headline show, MACH. We do other events where people can do business, such as our annual dinner and so forth. We also are the only ones to collect industry intelligence within our market sector. This is hugely valuable to many of our members. We also give educational and training grants, encouraging young talent into the industry and allowing the smaller members encouraging smaller members to take on apprentices and develop their staff. And we also are very much technology based, so we actually advise on the standards for both UK and Europe on machine tools, metal-based additive manufacture, or 3D printing, as some people know it, and also for non-proliferation. So we really do an awful lot that no one else does.